What does it mean to care enough? At Wavetec, this is a simple question that drives everything we do. We empower you by creating cutting-edge innovative medical devices. We don't mean just a device. We mean an experience beyond it, where you feel taken care of and your consumer cared for. And that's why care is at the core of our technology. Through our expertise in active compression, passive compression, and thermal therapy, we enable new depths of care for your consumers. This comes from a deep understanding of innovation and expertise that drive our every effort.
Our diverse team of specialists delves deep into understanding the human body,
crafting products with meticulous attention to detail that focuses on your brand's values and the impact that it creates in the lives of your consumers. Decades of collected insights into healthcare has given us invaluable unlocks that we bring to you. And how do we foster our partnerships?
by ensuring care through an effortless service of ease.
Because when you work with us, we unlock a comprehensive concept-to-consumer solution. From conceptualizing, scoping, research, design, development, compliance, clinicals, and manufacturing, all the way to delivery. Everything we craft is crafted with purpose. So in an industry of care and caregiving, this is what it means to care enough. Your health tech made effortless.